Hi, this is needlepointers.com, and I'm here today to share with you this Halloween wall hanging that I created a few years ago. This is a machine embroidered pattern that you machine embroider all of the different blocks, and then you assemble them together and add the borders and some quilting. Some of the blocks themselves are quilted with the pattern when you embroider the blocks. And then the outside borders have to be embroidered, or either embroidered, or you can just use your standard free motion quilting to finish the quilting on those parts. This is the back and the label on the quilt. I made this back in 2010, but since Halloween's coming up, I decided I'd like to share it with you. The machine embroidery pattern used to create this wall hanging is made by Lunch Box Quilts, and I think it's called Halloween Fun. We'll have more pictures of this quilt and a link to where you can purchase the pattern for this quilt on our website, needlepointers.com. Please click the link in either the iCard or the description of this video in order to find the links and the extra pictures of this project. I hope you enjoyed seeing this project. You can keep up with us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and by following us on Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, or Google+. If you're on Pinterest, pin our projects to your wall. This is a great way to keep track of your favorite projects. Visit our website, needlepointers.com, to find lots of other machine embroidery projects and tutorials.